What is cash flow statement? Why it's important, and how it helps businesses make informed decisions. A cash flow statement is a financial statement that shows the inflows and outflows of cash and cash equivalents over a specific period of time. It provides a snapshot of a company's liquidity and solvency. Importance of cash flow statement. A cash flow statement is important because it helps businesses evaluate their liquidity and solvency, identify areas for improvement in cash management, make informed decisions about investments and financing, communicate their financial performance to stakeholders. Components of a cash flow statement. A cash flow statement typically consists of 3 sections. Operating activities, cash flows from day-to-day operations. Investing activities, cash flows from investments in assets and businesses. Financing activities, cash flows from financing activities, such as borrowing and repaying loans. A cash flow statement shows the inflows and outflows of cash and cash equivalents over a specific period. Types of cash flows. 1. Operating activities. Cash flows related to the company's core business operations, such as cash received from customers, cash paid to suppliers and employees, rent and utility payments. 2. Investing activities. Cash flows related to investments, such as purchasing or selling assets, property, equipment, securities. Investing in other companies or joint ventures. 3. Financing activities. Cash flows related to financing, such as borrowing or repaying loans, issuing or redeeming stocks and bonds, paying dividends.
Let's talk about money, honey. Money is an essential part of our lives, influencing almost every decision we make. From the coffee we buy in the morning to the house we dream of owning, money plays a crucial role. But how well do we really understand our financial flow? We all want more of it, right? The excitement of having more money can be thrilling, but it's important to remember that having more money isn't the only goal. It's about making the most of what you have and ensuring it works for you. But it's not just about how much you earn, it's about how you manage it. Effective money management can make a significant difference in your financial health. It involves budgeting, saving, investing, and planning for the future. Just like a healthy river needs a steady flow of water, your financial well-being depends on a steady flow of cash. Imagine your finances as a river. If the flow is disrupted, it can lead to problems downstream. Consistent cash flow ensures that you can meet your obligations and have the freedom to pursue your goals. Understanding where your money comes from and where it goes is crucial for financial success. This means tracking your income and expenses meticulously. Knowing your financial inflows and outflows helps you make informed decisions and avoid unnecessary debt. That's where the cash flow statement comes in. This vital document provides a detailed overview of your financial activities over a specific period. It helps you see the bigger picture and identify patterns in your spending and earning habits. It's like a financial GPS, guiding you towards financial security. Just as a GPS helps you navigate to your destination, a cash flow statement helps you navigate your financial journey, showing you the best routes to take and potential obstacles to avoid. So, buckle up, and let's dive into the fascinating world of cash flow statements. By understanding and utilizing this tool, you can take control of your financial future and steer it in the direction you desire. Let's get started. Don't let the fancy name intimidate you. A cash flow statement is simply a report card for your cash. It tells you how much cash came in, how much went out, and from where. Think of it like balancing your checkbook, but for your entire business. It tracks the movement of cash over a specific period, like a month or a year. By understanding this statement, you gain valuable insights into your financial health. The cash flow statement is divided into 3 main sections: operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. Each of these sections provides crucial insights into different aspects of your business's financial health. Understanding how money flows in and out through these activities can help you make more informed decisions and better manage your resources. Operating activities are the heart of your business, showing the cash flow from your core operations, like sales and expenses. This section reflects the day-to-day activities that generate revenue and incur costs. It includes everything from the money you make from selling products or services to the cash you spend on supplies, salaries, and other operational expenses. Investing activities involve the buying and selling of long-term assets, like equipment or property. This section shows how your business is investing its resources to grow and expand. It includes purchases of physical assets, investments in other companies, and the sale of assets that are no longer needed. These activities are crucial for the long-term sustainability and growth of your business. Financing activities deal with how you raise money, like taking out loans or issuing stock. This section highlights the ways in which your business secures the necessary funds to operate and expand. It includes activities such as borrowing money from banks, issuing bonds, or selling shares of stock. Understanding this section can help you gauge your business's financial strategy and its ability to meet financial obligations. Each section tells a different part of your cash flow story. Together, they provide a comprehensive view of your business's financial health, helping you understand where your money is coming from and where it is going. By analyzing these sections, you can identify trends, spot potential issues, and make strategic decisions to ensure the long-term success of your business. Section 4. Navigating the Statement, a step-by-step walkthrough. In this section, we will guide you through the intricacies of a cash flow statement, breaking it down into manageable parts to help you understand its components and significance. Let's break down a sample cash flow statement. This document is crucial for understanding the inflows and outflows of cash within a business over a specific period. It provides insights into how well a company manages its cash position, which is vital for maintaining liquidity and solvency. The first section, Operating Activities, starts with your net income. This is the profit your business has earned from its core operations. From here, we make adjustments to reconcile net income to net cash provided by operating activities. Then we adjust for non-cash items like depreciation. Depreciation accounts for the reduction in value of your assets over time, and although it doesn't involve actual cash flow, it impacts your net income. We also look at changes in working capital, such as accounts receivable and inventory. These adjustments reflect the cash tied up in day-to-day operations, affecting the liquidity of the business. The investing activities section shows cash flows from buying or selling assets. This includes transactions like purchasing equipment or selling investments, which are crucial for long-term growth and sustainability. Finally, the financing activities section details borrowing and repayment of debt. This part of the statement shows how a company raises capital and pays back its financial obligations. It also includes equity transactions, such as issuing or repurchasing stock. Understanding these sections helps you get a complete picture of a company's financial health and cash management strategies. Section 5. The Power of the Cash Flow Statement, Unlocking Financial Insights. The cash flow statement is a powerful tool for assessing financial health. It reveals your liquidity or your ability to meet short-term obligations. It also highlights your solvency, which is your ability to pay off long-term debts. Investors use the cash flow statement to evaluate a company's financial performance and make investment decisions. Section 6. Ready to dive deeper? Resources for continued learning. Congratulations, you've just taken a crash course in cash flow statements. Remember, understanding your cash flow is essential for financial success. For further learning, check out reputable financial websites or consult with a financial advisor. Take control of your finances today.